Alright y'all, I'm just rocking the shirtless look. We woke up at 5:30 for making bricks last night to do the Instagram live this morning, and then we both laid back down to take a little breather and crashed. We felt like we got ran over by the van. We were hurting pretty bad. We're headed in town right now. I'm gonna put a shirt on first, and we're gonna train some arms or shoulders, do some computer work, and we're gonna regroup back here. We got the whole family, not the whole family, we got part of the family coming over for steak. Alrighty y'all, we are at a gym. It's kind of windy out here. Let me step in the van. Alrighty y'all, we are at a new gym. We've never trained here before. We're gonna do arms or shoulders. Still haven't figured it out yet, but it's gonna be good. We're gonna see if they have good solid equipment, because we might start training here frequently when we make bricks. So let's go check it out. Alright y'all, shoulder workout in the books. What's your problem? She's got issues. She's got issues. Alright, we're headed to the grocery store and the liquor store. We gotta pick up a bunch of alcohol for the family that we're not gonna drink. Funny how that works, huh? Alright y'all, we're in Kroger's getting some groceries. We got like, Dad's making, what are they called? Mai Tais? Mai Tais.
I'm like Tahiti.
Whatever the heck a Mai Tai is, I don't know. So we look like freaking fish out of water looking for alcohol. I'm gonna have to go to an alcohol store instead of the grocery store.
We're gonna get sparkling water.
This is our hard stuff. We got Ozarka sparkling water triple berry. You gonna get snockered?
So snockered on water.
So snockered. Alright y'all, we are definitely lost. It took us forever to find pineapples. We haven't purchased fruit in like 3+ years, so we forgot how to do it. We are back at my folks' house. Everybody's outside socializing. Yeah, buddy. Granny and Pop are here. Then my brother, Mom, Dad, Crystal, myself, all the critters. But check out these steaks we're gonna have tonight. Boom, look at that, y'all. Ribeye galore. That's what I'm talking about.
Dogs or keto? Bell. Ah! Wait. Rebel. Rebel. Sit. Sit. Right.
Alright, you ready? Whoa, sailor. There you go.
Just hang on to the other meat. Some break, some break.
Alright, y'all, we're leaving the house. Bye-bye, bye, mama. Love you too. Happy 4th of July. Let's load up and go.